So today I have this green light 2019 Mack Anthem with trailer. United States Postal Service. So this will be actually my third green light rig. So as you see, I got a couple of the other U.S. mail trucks there. So I will open this up and let's take a look at it. So it came out of the package relatively easy. There's a little bit of information about the post office. It was established in 1775. The zip code began July 1st of 1963. And in 1971 it became the United States Postal Service. So, nice little bit of history. Make sure you keep your box just in case you pack up and move, or you decide that you want to sell your collection later on. You can put it back in there for somebody else's use. So, again, it's a Mack truck, same as the UPS and the Indian truck. So, the trailer does not seem to want to come off, so I guess that's okay. It's stuck in there pretty good. But it probably won't come off anyway. I don't need it to come off anyway. So all the trailer's a really metal lid. Some of it's plastic. You can kind of hear it crackling there, and be careful with it. But it's got rubber tires, dualies. Got a spare tire under the trailer there. Does not want to come out of there, so does not want to come on the hook. So trailer doors open. Closes really nicely. All the reflectors is on there. So I've been wanting one for a while. Just didn't really want to spend the money. But thought it was kind of cool to go along with the fleet of. This was my first one. And I got the van. The van is really cool. The route runners, as they call them. So I have another one of these vans I got. So I think that makes two of them. I think so. I think that's all I got. Two of them. I might have another one somewhere. I already forgot. So anyway, the Mack truck is cool. It's got a lot of. It's got the mirrors, the chrome dog on it. So, yeah, pretty neat. So I'll have to make a truck stop for these guys, I guess. Got that one, and then the UPS. I do not have a trailer for it, but I need to get one. So, pretty cool trucks. So if you're into semis, or just want to collect like a certain logo, the U.S. mail stuff, seems kind of cool to collect, to have. So, alright guys, that's all I was going to do for that. So, I'll take a few pictures of these, and then this is a pretty short video. We'll see ya. Be careful. Bye.